The old game was about reach. The new game? It's about resonance. Billions are spent every year trying to scream louder than the competition. But consumers? They've learned to tune it out. The brands winning today, they're not louder. They're more in tune with culture, with moments, and with emotion. Welcome to Vibe Marketing, the evolution of strategy for the AI era. What's really changed? In 2024 alone, global ad spending hit over $870 billion. Yet, a Harvard Business Review study showed that 60% of consumers felt indifferent toward most of the content they saw online. Indifference is the real competition. So what's the fix? It's not more automation. It's better alignment. Vibe marketing is not about selling. It's about syncing, with emotion, behavior, and timing, at scale. Search interest for vibe marketing has grown over 686% in the last 12 months. It's more than a buzzword. It's a reset. What is vibe marketing really? Imagine this. You type a prompt, and instead of generating random ad copy, your AI tool creates a story. A campaign that aligns with your brand's emotional fingerprint. That speaks like you, moves like you, resonates like your audience. That's vibe marketing. It's the intersection of AI creativity, no-code agility, and emotionally intelligent messaging. Like vibe coding, you're not instructing machines to execute, you're co-creating with them. And the result? Strategy that feels alive. The 3 pillars of modern vibe marketing. 1. AI-powered content creation. You're not writing hundreds of ads. You're writing one great prompt. 2. No-code workflow systems. You're not hiring 5 different platforms. You're stitching together seamless automation. 3. Emotional resonance strategy. It's not just what you say. It's when, how, and why. The shift isn't just tactical. It's philosophical. This is marketing with emotional IQ. Tool stack, the new arsenal of modern marketers. Let's break down what real vibe marketers are using. Make a drag-and-drop beast with 2,000+ integrations. Ideal for pulling trends from X, pushing into Canva, syncing data with Slack, and deploying content across platforms. Think Zapier, but on steroids. N8N, for developers and data geeks. Build custom automations that track user sentiment on social, pull competitor trends, and power retargeting, all from one dashboard. Searches for N8N rose 1,566% in just 12 months. Zapier, still a favorite. With 8,000+ app integrations, it's the gateway drug into automation. Think small team, big output. These tools don't just replace effort, they amplify impact. AI agents, the rise of autonomous marketers. Cascade, for solo marketers and small teams. Manage 700+ tasks, generate scripts, plan campaigns, and track progress, all in one flow. Manus, a full-time AI marketing agent. It monitors real-time conversations, adjusts tone based on mood, and reroutes messaging in sync with audience behavior. You're no longer reacting, you're predicting. Relay, the sweet spot between AI automation and human intuition. Insert checkpoints where humans still approve or tweak campaign details before rollout. This is not outsourcing to machines. This is partnering with them. Creative tools that scale the vibe. SEMrush Content Toolkit, not just for SEO. You're spotting rising trends, generating article drafts, and refining tone before the market catches on. Instant campaign planning. Canva. With Magic Write, Magic Design, and Auto Resize, it's now a vibe factory. Social templates, ebooks, and ads? One interface, one tone, one brand. Looka. AI-generated logos and identity kits. In 60 seconds, you're not just branded, you're visually aligned. HeyGen. Talking head videos, localized voices, no filming crew. It's how global YouTube channels scale fast. These tools don't cut corners. They define new creative standards. The brains, LLMs powering it all. Chat GPT, the Swiss Army knife. Custom GPTs now mean you can build your own AI marketing assistant tailored to your niche. With 180 plus million users, it's the most accessible AI brain on the planet. Claude, storytelling genius. If ChatGPT is efficient, Claude is emotionally elegant. Great for product stories, emotional hooks, and ad scripts. Grok, Elon's brainchild. Taps into X, Twitter, and trends in real time. Want to know what your audience feels about an idea? Grok reads the room. Together, they shift marketing from manual push to adaptive pull. Vibe coding. Non-coders, meet your superpower. Replit code plus AI plus community. Ghostwriter feature helps build campaign microsites or product demos in hours. Great for creators who don't code but dream big. Bolt. Say what you want. It builds it. Design, logic, layout. Best for marketers who want a sandbox to test fast. Cursor. The AI dev buddy. Works alongside you to clean up code, suggest logic improvements, or build from scratch if you can describe the vision. With these tools, code isn't a barrier, it's a co-creator. The core mindset shift. Here's the real difference. Vibe marketing isn't about automation, it's about empathy. Scaled, it's about building brand narratives that feel like they were meant for now. Because they were. In the next 5 years, 90% of brand interactions will be AI assisted, but only a few will feel human. Those that do, they'll be remembered. Because in the end, people don't remember posts. They remember how a brand made them feel. The whisper that wins. Everyone is chasing attention, but the masters, they attract it. Everyone is shouting, but the greats, they whisper. And in a world flooded with noise, the whisper that resonates is the one that moves the market. This is vibe marketing, not just a trend, a tectonic shift. Final CTA, now is your moment. Want to go beyond tactics? Want to market with precision and presence? Step into the vibe era. Don't just launch campaigns. Create experiences that land and linger. We don't just talk business. We move empires.